Hello students, this is Rajni Singh and welcome to my classes. Now today we solve question number 10 and exercise number 1.1. Now your question is, a water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. The water level is at the 9th step. Means here a monkey is sitting on first step. So here this is second step. This one is third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8 and this is 9th. And here this is the water level. And monkey will reach to this point. So here the question number 1 is, he jumps 3 steps down. Means in first jump he reached on 3 steps down. So here we added this step, and in next jump then jump back 2 steps up. Means in next jump he back 2 steps upside. So here first jump. In first jump he reaches 3 steps down. Means we added 3 in first step. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Means monkey reached on that step. In next jump monkey is on that place. Means he reached on that place. And in next jump back 2 steps upside. Means here we subtract this step, -2, and 4 minus 2 is 2 here. Means monkey reached on that step. And again he jumps 3 steps down. Means here third jump, 2 plus 3 means he reached on 5th step. Here 2 plus 3 is 5 here. And in 4th jump here we subtract, because in next jump he back 2 steps upside. So here 5 minus 2 means we get 3 here. It means he reached on 3rd step. Again he jumps 3 steps downward. So 5th jump we added 3. 3 plus 3 we get 6. Means here in next jump he reached on 6th step. And in 6th jump 6 minus 2, because in next jump he back 2 steps upside. So here he reached 4th step. 6 minus 2 is 4. In 7th jump 4 plus 3 means we get 7, and the monkey reached on 7th step. And in 8th jump 7 minus 2, because in next jump he back 2 steps upward. So here he reached 7 minus 2 is 5. In 9th jump five. In 9th jump he jumped 3 steps downside. So here 5 plus 3 is 8. Means he reached on 8th step. Again in 10th jump we subtract -2. So here we get 6. Means he reached on 6th step. In next jump 11th jump here we added 3. So 6 plus 3 is 11. 6 plus 3 is 9 here. It means he reached on 9th step. And here this is the water level. So how many jumps will he reach the water level? So here means in 11th jump he reached the water level. Now this is your answer. Now your next question is, after drinking water he wants to go back. For this he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down. In every move, in how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Means that time monkey on that step and he wants to back on the top step. So here this is first step, and here second step, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth step. And now he moved on upward side. So here in first jump he moved upward direction. So that time he is on 9th step and he jumps 4 steps up. So here we subtract this value with 9. So 9 minus 4 we get 4. It means monkey reached on that step. In next jump means 5 here, and in next jump back 2 steps down. So here we added 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7 here. It means he reached on that step in next jump. And third jump we subtract minus 4. So we get 3. It means in next jump he reached on third step. And in fourth jump we added 2 here because in next jump he reached on downward. So here we added it. So we get 5, means monkey reached on fifth step. In fifth jump here we subtract minus 4. So we get 1. It means he reached on first step. Means here he reached on topmost step. So now the answer is in fifth jump he reached on first step.